Okay, welcome once again. My name is Solomon. I am your host for this program. So welcome to Gimland Online Courses. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to build whatever you dream about to build, where you can be able to build yourself and use a particular knowledge to improve your skills and also develop yourself in all areas of life. So if this actually is your first time coming across my channel, I want you to click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, so you will get informed on my new programs and new videos that I'll be uploading soon enough. So maybe this is your first time you're learning about my online courses. I want to inform you guys that GIM online courses are very different and special from every other courses you might have come across. So what I mean is GIM online courses are especially for beginners and those who are advanced in whatever level, in whatever profession you find yourself. This course is for you. I'm going to do my best as much as I can to explain everything about this course, so you too can be able to develop yourself in every area. So please stay tuned, don't go away, for I have something special for you guys. Okay, now I want to introduce you guys to my programming language in English, computer programming language in English. And today we are going to talk about a very popular and special programming language that is used worldwide in all areas, in mobile apps, in websites, when analyzing data, even in doing some calculations, some analysis. So if you are still new to Python, this course is for you. I'm going to explain the step-by-step process on how you can be able to use this course in your life. So all that being said, let me get to the point. What is Python? Python is an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its use of significant identification. Its language constructions or constructs, as well as its object-oriented approach, aim to help programmers write clear, logical code for small and large-scale projects. I know in this period of time, everybody wants to be self-employed, and most people want to work from home. So how can you do that? I believe in the mentality of self-development, and also I believe in the mentality of building your own business and starting your own projects. So if you have any projects that includes web designing, you have any projects that you want to sell, or any products you want to sell online, you want to build your own online stores, you want to build your own automations, maybe you have projects like you're building analysis, reading how many people that postage products in your store and how many people also visit your store. You can use Python to do all that. Python is a general purpose programming language that is needed in all areas, in all fields of life. So stay tuned as I walk you through Python. So the next is going to be uses of Python programming language. What is actually this Python programming language used for? The very first time when I started this course, I was thinking maybe Python is a difficult language. Python is a very friendly, easy to use language. And I will do my best to explain in further videos how you can be able to use Python to build whatever projects, whatever apps, whatever websites, whatever automation process you want to build. So I want to give you a few information on what Python is used for. So Python is a computer programming language often used to build websites and softwares. So when we softwares, these are programs that control the hardware of any electronic device, maybe your telephone, your computers, software. So your Android phone has a software called Android. That is the Android operating system. And your iPhone has the iOS operating system, which is the Mac operating systems. So Python is used to build all these things you see that helps you to be able to take photos, to be able to send messages on Instagram, on WhatsApp, on other social medias. So automate tasks. For example, you have a project already written, and you want the project to work on its own without you monitoring the projects, without you going to click anything. Python can help you do that automation process. It can help you work on these programs on its own. So you see, and Python conduct data analysis. Yes, Python can be used to do a lot of complex data analysis. Python can be used to solve mathematical and complex problems that human brain cannot comprehend. So Python is a general purpose language, meaning it can be used to create a variety of different programs and isn't specialized for any specific problem. So you can see it's a general purpose. So you can use Python for everything. And it's easy to use, easy to learn program. So stay tuned as I walk you through and explain to you what we use Python for. So in this course, please stay tuned. I say Python for beginners. This is a Python for beginner course. And if you are advanced also, you can also come in this course. You can also use this course for yourself. Python for beginners is for those who have no idea in any field of programming language. They don't even know any programming language in computer. They have problems. So this course is for you also. I can also help you to build you, to start you from the scratch and from the beginning in learning Python. It will be very good in this 21st century if you know what Python programming languages is. And if you are one of those who are working, who wants to work from home, this is for you. You can learn Python and also have a good job, a high-paid job, and work from home at the comfort of your home. Don't forget, Python is one of the highly most used programming language in this present time, and all companies or programmers makes use of Python. So if you have a knowledge in Python, then you have a good opportunity. So in this course, I will learn, you will learn how to download and install Python, the right source codes and the right source software to use. And secondly, you will learn how to use the best IDE for Python. Python as a programming language, we have a place and a platform, an environment that you can use to do write the code. Just like the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a platform, is a place where we can use to type letters. We can also use Notepad. Notepad is also a place where you can type in some informations and also some codes. So IDE, they are used for designing and writing codes in Python. So again, you will learn how to create your first Python project in this course that we are going to do. So stay tuned. There are a lot of important and very quality informations. Don't worry, I'm going to explain to you in great details, and there is no difficulty in this course. Secondly, fourthly, you will learn how to name and save Python projects. So whatever project you create in this IDE, you are going to learn how to what? You're going to learn how to save them and also to name them and also to rename them. Yeah, yes, the last one is you will learn how to use Python to solve mathematical problems. Yes, those students who are having difficulties in mathematics, who are having difficulties in calculating decimal numbers, division, and raised to power 2 and whatever, this course is also for you. I'm going to give you the basics on how you can also give commands to Python and see how the commands works. So stay tuned as we go on. And don't forget, please, if this is your first time watching my videos, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, share this video so we can spread the information to as much people as we can. So in my next video, I'm going to be opening and showing you how to install Python, how to download and install Python, and also how to use the IDE for Python. So I wish you a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. don't go away.